If you're searching for how to reset Whirlpool washer, you're probably dealing with a machine that's frozen, acting weird, or stuck in the middle of a cycle, and you're hoping there is a way to bring it back to life without calling a repair person. Good news, there is, and it's probably easier than you think. But before we jump into the methods, there's one surprising thing that can stop even a working reset from actually solving the issue. Once it's unplugged, wait a solid 5 minutes. That gives the internal system time to fully shut down. Then, plug it back in and press the power or start button. In many cases, this alone will clear any glitch or error the washer was stuck on. Open and close the lid 6 times within 12 seconds. Sounds strange, but it's a classic reset method that still works on many machines today. Check how you're loading it, how much detergent you're using, and whether there's anything stuck in the drain. Sometimes the real fix isn't about electronics. It's something much simpler, and it's something most people don't even think to check. We all expect washers to just work. You throw in some clothes, add detergent, hit start, and forget about it. Try the steps above. One of them might be the magic button your machine needs. But when the Cabrio suddenly refuses to spin, or keeps blinking random lights, or won't drain no matter what you press, it can be seriously frustrating. That's when a reset can save the day. Now, depending on your exact model, there are a few ways to reset your Whirlpool Cabrio washer, and one of them usually works. Let's start with the basics. The simplest way to reset your washer is by unplugging it from the power outlet. This often forces the control board to do a soft reset. Another option: use the circuit breaker. Find the breaker that controls the washer, flip it off, wait 5 minutes, then flip it back on. This can be just as effective as unplugging, especially if your outlet is hard to reach. Still no luck? Try pressing and holding the start and power buttons at the same time for about 5 seconds. Release them, then try running a short cycle. If your model has a dial instead of buttons, there is a special trick. Turn the dial all the way around counterclockwise until you read back to where you started. Then go 1 click right, 1 left, 1 right, 1 left. If the panel lights up and blinks, that's a sign the reset worked. And if you've got an older, top-load model, so back to that one thing people often miss. If your washer keeps misbehaving even after a reset, remember, knowing how to reset Whirlpool washer, Cabrio can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration.